This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Emily Babineau. This home is a must-see in desirable Magnolia Park subdivision and in Woodvale School District. It features an office area off of the kitchen and leads to the laundry room, would also make a great mudroom space. The kitchen is open and airy, has recessed lighting, gas stove top and plenty of cabinet space. The kitchen flows to the living room with a large picture window and wood floors. The hall bath is large and so is the master. Not something you find in most homes in the area. The backyard is spacious and the patio is large. There are endless possibilities for you here. New roof was installed in 2019. The curb appeal is charming yet updated with the Bahama shutters and wood beam posts. Enjoy the ease of being in the middle of town. For more information, review the details below.